Guys, Steve Paxton here, HARKO Day Trading. I'm going to show you 15 minutes of magic now, compressed down into about 5. When I mean 15 minutes of magic, I mean the 15-minute bar. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to share a screen. It's going to be Heikin Ashi candles, and we're going to take you through the 15-minute bar. Works over 80% of the time. Let's share this screen. Right, what you can see here is the Heikin Ashi candles on a 15-minute chart. This is very relevant. It's the 2nd of July today, and this is the excuse me, this is the 1st and the 2nd of July on 15 minutes. So what we need to do, we just need the 15-minute candles, and we need the 9 exponential moving average. So let's get this exponential moving average on. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the result, and then I'm going to show you how we got there. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades over the course of 2 days, all of them at least 1% up to 4%, 88% win rate. Stay till the end, guys. At the end of the video, I'll show you exactly how to set up and enter this trade. What we're going to do here, this is the base strategy. The base strategy is we're looking for a long in this case, because we're going with the trend. Pound Japani, trend is long. We always trade with the trend. We're looking for a 15-minute candle, like so, like this one, trading above the 9 EMA. It has to close above the 9 EMA, and that is our first valid candle. What we aim to do is find the first candle, 15-minute bar candle, and we'll measure a direct break of that candle for our entry, and our exit will be the spread under the last swing low. So effectively, if I use my little tool and illustrate this, the red is the risk and the green is the reward. So I'll take those off for clarity, and there is the first one-to-one risk-reward trade. I'll go through and show you the rest. The market's pulled back. There's another potential trade there. There we go. Market pulled back. We've closed above the 9 EMA. That looks like it's a break. The market come down a bit lower. Second bar still above the 9 EMA, so still a valid bar. And then this next bar, still a valid bar. And we come down, so on. And we've got another bar here, and it is above the 9 EMA. So there we go. We take another break of that bar, and we're in again. Market pulls back. Red Heikin Ashi candle, and we've got another candle trading above the 9 EMA, and there we go. There's another trade there. Market comes down with 2 Heikin Ashi candles there, but no break above the 9 EMA. So walk on by. We don't do those. We only trade above the 9 EMA. Right. So here we are. Is another one. We take a direct break over there. And under the swing low, there we go. And then we have night time. We don't trade overnight. Wake up in the morning, look for the next bars. And we've got a bar break here. We've got a bar break here, a close above the 9 EMA. So we take that bar break there, stop under the swing low. And the market didn't quite make it. At best, we could have had a stop to entry. We move on and we wait patiently for the next bar, which is this bar here. So we take a trade on the break there under the swing low, and we're off. And there's another one above the swing, over the 9 EMA there, and there's another trade there. And then there's another trade here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ninth trade is not complete. If we discount the 9th one, we are on 87% win rate. If this wins, we're on over 88% win rate. I hope that's useful. If you want, so this is an exploded view just to make sure you get the entry instruction right. So we're looking at a candle that is closing above the 9 EMA, a green candle like this one. That's what we're looking for. And when you find that candle, you are looking to put your entry to go long on a bull market directly above the Heikin Ashi bar that closes above the 9 EMA. You are then looking to put your stop under the swing low, the spread plus 2 pips under here, like so. And that is your entry. Just draw in the risk and reward, like so. Clear those pips out, those lines for the pips, and that is your entry. So that is the correct way to enter the 15-minute bar. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that 15-minute bar magic. It is really, really powerful. Please try it. Put your comments down below. Tell me how you got on. We're really, really interested. And if you want to learn how to extend your profits further using this strategy, please click the video up here and that will tell you everything. Again, if you like the video, please support the channel, like and subscribe. See you again. Bye-bye.